In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find deleted or removed friends on Snapchat. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open your Snapchat application on your phone by tapping on it. Once you are here, you need to go to your profile by tapping here on the upper left side of your screen. After that, you will be redirected to your Snapchat profile. What you're gonna do is you are gonna tap on this gear icon on the upper right side of your screen. Once you have done it, you will be able to see here all the information and settings of your Snapchat account. Here, what you need to do is you are gonna scroll down to the very bottom of this list, and if you see above logout, you will be able to see here the option My Data. So you need to tap on My Data, and after a small loading, you will be redirected to this kind of page. Here, first of all, you're gonna make sure that this export HTML files is enabled. Once you have done it, you are gonna scroll down more and you are gonna uncheck all of the options except for user information and chat history. You can uncheck these options by tapping on these below ticks. Once you have done it, you are going to tap on this next button. And after that, it's going to ask you to choose the date range. So to do it, you are going to tap on this date over here. And from here, you can select last year, last month, last week, or yesterday. Once you have done it, you are going to tap on submit button. After you have done all of these steps, you're going to wait a couple of hours, and after that, the Snapchat will send you an email with an HTML file of all the information of your deleted friends. Here, you're going to tap on this blue text saying click here. After that, you will be redirected back to your Snapchat account, and in here, you're going to tap on See Exports and then tap on Download. Once your file has been downloaded, you're going to tap on Open. Then you're going to tap on HTML and then tap on Friends. Here you're going to scroll down until you find the section Deleted Friends. And from there, you can find all the deleted friends from your Snapchat account in your desired date selected.